All right, boys. Welcome back to another trade recap. We took a fat loss today. Yesterday. I put in the wrong lot size and I did 10 times as much as I was meant to risk. So ended up taking pretty hefty loss. Although that's why I'm only trading with a small amount so that I can make these mistakes at a low cost. So let's jump into the trades though. Um, it was a UJ trade and a GU trade. So let's go over UJ. Daily bias. I was feeling short just because we're clearly in a downtrend and we had this daily fair value gap that we were filling up right here. 15 minute, we were forming all these relative equal highs, and this red line indicates the top of this 15-minute fair value gap. So that's sort of what I was playing off. Scaling down, right? Right at 9 o'clock, we had a big, oh, was it 9 o'clock? No, never mind, it wasn't that. Shortly after London Kill Zone open, had a big move up, and I was thinking that this would be the sweep. Um, we hit up here, and we see this little fair value get formed. Price goes in. I didn't enter here, but at this point here, we saw a break structure, and then at 8:30, um, the close of this candle right here, that was the closure within the bearish 15-minute fair value gap. So to me, that was the confirmation I needed to sell short. So sold short there. Um, this was the trade as well where I did too much and potted around and then stopped me out. So um good learning to just, double check how much you're placing in your trade. But yeah, so GU was a short as well. Let me just get to it. Um, GU was a short. Where are we? Now for this as well, I was a little hesitant. I was a little slow. This trade right here, I should have taken, and I did see it, but it wasn't 8 o'clock, and I was a little unsure about this pair. Essentially, relative equal highs on the 15-minute, I think, or on the hourly, something like that. So if you just remove what you see here and you just look at that, like I was looking at this move here and I was thinking like, is that a sweep? I'm not sure. Although the setup did look really nice. So I will say that. Um, just needed a little more confirmation on the high time frame, probably, just to give me some confirmation on why I'd go short. Although, apart from that, that would have been a very nice setup. I just didn't, as well as it not being 8 o'clock, it was like a minute before it being 8 o'clock. And if I'd have taken the trade here, I'm guessing this went down very quickly. So, didn't really have a chance to take that. Although at this point, I was playing off of this being the sweep and price tapping into the order block. So I placed a trade when we hit past this red line and I got stopped out almost immediately. So this trade I didn't risk too much. So it was all right. But we took a few losses today, a couple of losses, but it's part of the game. So it's all right. Hope you've enjoyed watching and goodbye.